Title: Climate Change, Causes, Consequences, and Solutions. Introduction. Climate change is one of the most critical challenges facing humanity in the 21st century. It refers to long-term alterations in Earth's climate, encompassing changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events. The Earth's climate has naturally fluctuated over millions of years, but the current changes are happening at an unprecedented rate and are primarily driven by human activities. In this essay, we will explore the causes of climate change, its effects on the planet and human society, and potential strategies to mitigate and adapt to its consequences. Causes of climate change. Greenhouse gas emissions. The primary driver of anthropogenic climate change is the increased concentration of greenhouse gases, GHGs, in the atmosphere. The burning of fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and industrial processes release carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, N2O, and fluorinated gases. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to the greenhouse effect and the warming of the Earth's surface. Deforestation. Forests act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. However, large-scale deforestation for agriculture, urbanization, and logging reduces the planet's capacity to sequester carbon, contributing to higher GHG levels. Agriculture and livestock. Agricultural practices like rice paddies and livestock farming release significant amounts of methane and nitrous oxide. These potent GHGs further intensify the greenhouse effect. Industrial emissions. Industries release a variety of pollutants and GHGs during their manufacturing processes, leading to increased atmospheric concentrations and contributing to climate change. Consequences of climate change. Rising temperatures. Global temperatures have been increasing, leading to more frequent and intense heatwaves, melting glaciers, and rising sea levels. Extreme weather events. Climate change is linked to a rise in extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, floods, and wildfires. These events have devastating impacts on communities, ecosystems, and economies. Ocean acidification. Increased CO2 levels in the atmosphere are absorbed by the oceans, causing ocean acidification. This phenomenon harms marine life, particularly coral reefs and shell-forming organisms. Biodiversity loss. Climate change disrupts ecosystems, forcing many species to adapt, migrate, or face extinction. This leads to a loss of biodiversity, threatening the delicate balance of ecosystems. Overcoming climate change. Transition to renewable energy. One of the most crucial steps in combating climate change is transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power. Governments must invest in clean energy infrastructure and incentivize renewable energy adoption. Afforestation and reforestation. Protecting existing forests and promoting afforestation and reforestation initiatives can enhance carbon sequestration and help mitigate climate change impacts. Sustainable agriculture. Implementing sustainable agricultural practices, reducing food waste, and promoting plant-based diets can lower GHG emissions from the agriculture sector. Climate policy and international cooperation. Governments and international organizations need to collaborate on developing and enforcing effective climate policies and agreements to ensure global efforts in addressing climate change. Resilience and adaptation. Investing in infrastructure and strategies to adapt to the changing climate can help communities withstand and recover from the impacts of extreme weather events. Public awareness and education. Raising awareness about climate change, its consequences, and individual actions to reduce emissions is essential for building public support and creating a culture of sustainability. Conclusion. Climate change is an urgent and complex issue that demands immediate action from individuals, governments, and industries alike. By understanding its causes and consequences, we can collectively work towards implementing solutions that mitigate its effects and promote a sustainable and resilient future for generations to come. Only through a concerted global effort can we hope to overcome the challenges posed by climate change and preserve the precious ecosystems and resources that sustain life on Earth.